Hello everyone, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Today I received a 2023 Ram 2500 Prospector XL tray bed built by AEV. This unit is designed to inspire and built to perform, equipped with tons of AEV upgrades, including AEV mud flaps, AEV badging all around, AEV front and rear diff covers. They also upgraded the fender flares. This vehicle is equipped with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, sitting on 40-inch Toyo mud terrains, wrapped around 17-inch AEV Katla wheels. This vehicle is ready for any off-road adventure. Also including a 3-inch dual sport suspension upgrade, along with AEV 8100 series shocks. This vehicle provides a superior ride quality with a low center of gravity. Got AEV front steel bumper, AEV off-road lights, and they also upgraded the interior as well. Come check this vehicle out at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and enjoy some POV drive videos. Thank you guys.